I don't remember if I showed you guys my Mother's Day gift. I think I showed one of them, but yeah, I got this Tory Burch tote and I love her. She's amazing. Look how beautiful she is. And then I also got a keyboard for my iPad. So I went to Aldi's. I did a quick run to Aldi's and I got a few items. I haven't been to Aldi's in a while, but like everywhere else, everything is kind of overpriced and low shortage. But I went there initially to get like some kind of snack and then also to get some hummus because while I'm at home, I still want to continue with my healthy eating. So I picked up some fresh strawberries. They were $1.99 this week. I got some roasted garlic hummus. I didn't get the 4-pack that I usually get with all the varieties. I just went with just this one. I got some zucchini that I'm going to cut up in a bit. I got some cilantro. I like the Chick-fil-A spicy Asian something or whatever. But then I saw this at Aldi's, which is a spicy ranch. So I picked this up for my salad. I love coconut coffee creamer in the summertime for my iced coffee. So I got one from Aldi's. And then I picked up this mild chimichurri salsa because I want to eat chips with that. I got some buffalo style chicken breast. We ran out of the olive oil spray for the air fryer. And then I got some pepper jack cheese because I do love pepper jack cheese. I got some tortilla chips. And then I got some barbecue chips because I like to eat barbecue chips with my sandwiches. And then I got this double dip mini ice cream bars. And I like to do these because if I want a sweet, I'm feeling like a sweet, I can grab one of these and eat it. It's only 6 in there. Calories are pretty high, but that's okay. It's a treat and we don't kind of devour them. Also, over here, this is leftover meat that I'm about to season with some, like a revamp. This is some grilled pork that we had. So I'm going to revamp this and make a honey garlic butter dressing. And I'm going to pour over this and I'm going to sprinkle it with some cilantro later. I'm going to cut that up. I don't remember if we have tomatoes to do like a topping, but we'll see because I haven't really gone to the grocery store for like veggies and stuff. So yeah. But that's all. I got my little haul from Aldi's. I'm getting ready to cook and do that. And somebody is in the waits for some pork, but he's not getting anything. I got the oven preheating at 375. I'm going to go mix up that little concoction and pour it all over this and stick this in the oven for about 30 to 40 minutes. And then we'll figure out what to put with it as a side dish because we're not really eating a lot of carbs. So I'm going to take my minced garlic, some honey. I have a lemon, and I'm actually going to put some olive oil in this little bowl and mix it up. So let's grab a measuring spoon. This is 1 tablespoon, I guess. I don't measure. I'm not that kind of cook. But we want to make sure that we have enough, and I think that's good enough, right? I think that's really good enough. And then what we're gonna do is take the lemon, the half a lemon, and I'm not gonna turn it over. I'm actually going to squeeze it just like this, like that. And then we're gonna take the honey and we're going to pour the honey in there. I think that's good enough honey. And then we're going to take a spoon and we're going to mix it all together. Because remember I said this is a honey garlic pork flavored. There we go. Looks good. Awesome. And then we're going to take it over here and we're going to pour it all over the pork. Okay, we're gonna make sure we get all that in there. My hands are clean, and I'm just going to kind of mix it all up. And then we're gonna add some extra stuff to it. I'm not sure yet. I think it still needs something, but I think I know what. It's probably going to need some teriyaki. And that's it for now. And just like that, we have some leftover pork that we turned into just a little garlic. It smells so good in here. I wish you guys could smell it. So I just took it out the oven. I'm gonna let it sit and cool. And then when Big gets back from his walk, we'll eat dinner. But I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. Yeah. You can dress it up. You can cut this up with some rice. We do have some cauliflower rice. I think when Big comes in, that might be the side dish, is to add the cauliflower rice to this. Good morning, guys. Happy Friday. It is Friday the 13th. I just realized that. OMG. Anywho, it is, don't mind me, I washed my face, but I'm still like, you know, getting the crusties out. It is 58 degrees this morning. I am about to head to Dunkin' Donuts to grab some coffee because I feel like I need to treat myself to coffee. So yeah, so that's what we about to do. But I'm gonna go listen to some music. I'm liking that new Future, maybe like 5 of the songs. Now, I've never really listened to his album, so I don't know about his music like that. But this new album, I actually started listening to it, and because I saw someone post a song of his on their Instagram, and I went and I looked it up, and I was like, oh, I love this song. So yeah, this is it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so with the evil, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way.
Let's start over the vlog. It's Casual Sunday. I'm wearing a dress that I bought from either Nasty Gal or Misguided about 2.5 years ago. Before I had lost the weight. This boobie won't stay in her place. But I actually put it on. It's still a little tight, but it is what it is. We're going to try to get a wear out of it. It has like a ruching at the front. Like, let me come closer. That's what it looks like. I'm wearing my Reebok. They go good together because they kind of pair with each other. And then my little bag that I picked up from Walmart for like $1, like 3 or 4 years ago. Y'all, I apologize for snapping that gum that way. And if I move the hair out the way, let me tell you, the girls, they sitting. There go y'all little friend. Turn the light on. Look at the tatas. Them things is banging up today. But, yeah. I ain't putting no makeup on or anything, really. I have the Halo Tinted Moisturizer from Smashbox on. with some sunscreen, and then I put some concealer under my eyes because lately your girl hasn't really been getting a lot of sleep. So she needs to get the crow's feet done. I just recorded a podcast episode for She Talks Life. I haven't been recording. That's a whole nother story. But let's pull up these panties. Keep the tummy in check. But yeah, y'all, I've decided that when I do put on outfits, I need to do a video instead of a picture. So this is what your girl looks like. I need tummy tuck, but you know, we gonna get the tummy right. But I think I look cute and snazzy. And Tim, what y'all think? Hey. We are heading to Home Depot because I'm trying to get something. And stay tuned because y'all gonna see the beginning of something. Okay, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.
We could reinforce that, even with more than just the.
Now this one's cute. I like this two-seater.
That's actually pretty sturdy.
I know.
No, that is.
Oh, it is?
Yeah. It's
Oh,
actually
okay.
pretty
This
sturdy.
one's nice too.
Yeah.
Okay. Making progress. That little thing right there, bomb.com. Because we did all that last night. And we just got to move the fire pit. We had a fire lit. But yeah, all this is going to be gone. That's a pile of grass. But if you could see, there's more grass over there, but we're almost like getting it. Look how all that grass is gone. This is a pile. Of course, we got the fire lit because, yep, more piles. So before you know it, it's going to be a nice little seating area. We got to get rid of all this. All my plants will get repotted and redone. And there goes my kitten trying to run into everything. But we're making progress. Yay. Can't wait to show you guys the finished product.